Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fit a table in Microsoft Word with text spreading outside page margins. So firstly select your table. As we can see, some column is not appear in this page properly. So to resolve this problem, select this table or double click on it, and in this table layout you will see two layouts. This is the first and this is the second one. So click on this second layout, and in this auto fit section, click this drop down. Automatically resize the column in your table. Set your columns to be the same width as your content, or choose for your table to stretch across the page. So you can select auto fit content. So we can see this table is appear properly. Once you select auto fit content, second option auto fit window, and third one fixed column width. So you can select any option. So thanks for watching guys. Comment this video useful for you.